Hey YouTube family. Today's tutorial is all about CAMTASIA. CAMTASIA is an editing tool. I have version 2020. When you will open it, this type of screen will be visible to you. Here recent holds your all created projects. Now, there is new recording option, means new screen recording. And by clicking Open Project, you can open your created projects for further editing. For now, let's start with creating new project. It takes a little time to create. As you can see, it has created. Now let me quickly give an overview. Whatever video you will be edit, will be visible in this part. This area will show properties. This is our timeline. It will hold all the videos and audios. Here, this is screen recording option. This is media. Here you can add your videos and audios, and you can use in your project. Now this is library, and it has further options, like music etc. Now favorite. It holds all the starred objects, whom you have marked favorite. Come to the last one, which is cursor effects. With the help of this, you can give your mouse an effect, like these. Further we have left mouse click effects, and right mouse click effects. You can choose any of them. For example, I choose the highlight effect. So firstly, I am starting with screen recording, by clicking record. Now the recording window will be visible soon. So here is it. First of all, set the screen area that you want to add in your recording. I choose full screen. Now, you can turn on or off your camera, microphone for voice recording and speaker. All the settings are done. Now I am starting recording by clicking rec. Our recording has been started. Look at the short key for stopping screen recording. After countdown, the screen is now recording. Now you see and pause it by clicking pause button. You can stop it by clicking stop button, or you can use short keys. And if you want to discard your recording or want to start with new one, then click on delete. Now I am stopping my recording. As you can see, it appears in media, and we're done. So that is it for today. We will see remaining features in next parts.